Welcome back again for our rotational dynamics. The next point, that is theorem of perpendicular axis. In this theorem of perpendicular axis, there is a laminar body such that in for example leaf झाडाचं पान असेल ते पण एक लॅमिनर बॉडी आहे, डिस्क असेल, रिंग असेल, in which three mutually perpendicular axes they are concurrent at point O, and here we have to find out the moment of inertia of that object about any axis which is the sum of moment of inertia of another two axes. So let us here see that the moment of inertia of a laminar object, this is a laminar object, about three mutually perpendicular and concurrent axes. These are the x axis, y axis and z axis. They are concurrent at point O. They are mutually perpendicular to one another. And the two of them in the plane of the object and third perpendicular to the object. Two of them are in the plane and the third one which is perpendicular to that object. So therefore moment of inertia Iz, which is written as Iz, is equal to, which is the summation of two perpendicular axes of that moment of inertia as Ix and Iy. So therefore this figure shows a rigid laminar object able to rotate about three mutually perpendicular axes x, y and z. So this is a laminar object which is able to rotate about these three mutually perpendicular axes. Consider whenever it is rotated about the z axis, then Ix and Iy, they are mutually perpendicular. So therefore Iz is equal to Ix plus Iy. So here moment of inertia about z axis, which is Iz, moment of inertia along x axis, which is Ix, and moment of inertia along y axis, which is Iy. So therefore these axes x and y are in the plane of the object, while the z axis, which is perpendicular to it, and all are concurrent at point O. So which the axis, that is x axis and y axis, are in the plane of the object. The x axis and y axis are in plane of that object. And next that is the, while the z axis which is perpendicular, the z axis which is perpendicular to that object. So they are concurrent at point O. So consider a very small mass element, that is dm, which is located at point P. So such that Pm is equal to y and Pn is equal to x, and are perpendicular drawn from P respectively. So on x and y axis. Let us see here. Here we have to find out the moment of inertia about z axis. We consider a point P at which a very small mass element, that is dm, will be situated. We draw perpendiculars on x and y axis respectively, such that the Pn, which is perpendicular to OY, and Pm, which is perpendicular to OX. This P, the perpendicular drawn to on OY, which is meet at point N. So Pn is equal to x, and this P draw perpendicular on OX. So Pm is equal to, distance is y. So therefore Ix is equal to, so therefore moment of inertia about x axis, which is equal to Ix is equal to integration of its perpendicular distance from the point P, that is y. So integration of y square dm. Again moment of inertia along y axis, we here taken that the moment of inertia Iy is equal to its perpendicular distance from the point P, that is x. So integration of x square dm. And moment of inertia of z axis, which is the integration of this z axis, such that its distance will be OP. Its distance will be OP. So here such that the distance OP is equal to R. But this is a y distance and this is a x distance. So distance OP means whenever it is a perpendicular to one another, then according to using the Pythagoras law, hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus another side square. So therefore x square plus y square. So therefore OP is equal to under root x square plus y square. So by using this, we can write integration of y square plus x square dm. So therefore Iz is equal to integration dm multiplied with y square, integration y square dm. Again this integration into x square into dm, again integration x square dm. So therefore Iz is equal to, what is the value of integration y square dm? It becomes ix. And what is the integration of x square dm? Which will be iy. So therefore Iz is equal to ix plus iy. So this is a perpendicular theorem such that the moment of inertia कशा होती है? Iz होती है. The moment of inertia Iz of a laminar object about an axis z. कोणता axis आहे? Z axis. तो कुठे आहे? Perpendicular to its plane of that object, which is the sum. Sum म्हणजे काय? बेरीज. Sum आहे. The moment of inertia Iz of a laminar object about an axis z perpendicular to the plane is the sum. कशा कशाची sum आहे? Sum of its moment of inertia about two mutually perpendicular axes in its plane, all the three axes being concurrent. So Ix plus Iy. So moment of inertia of a laminar object about an axis, that is Iz, which is the sum of moment of inertia of that object which are perpendicular to one another and concurrent in point O. So that is Ix plus Iy. So this is a perpendicular axis theorem. काय काय पहिला आपण मराठीमध्ये एकदा सांगतो. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण एक प्लेन बॉडी, लॅमिनार बॉडी, जसे की एखादं पान असतं झाडाचं, त्या पानासारखं असणारी एखादी लीफ, लाईक अ लीफ, एक प्लेन बॉडी कन्सिडर केली ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण थ्री परपेंडिकुलर म्युच्युअल ऍक्सिस घेतले. दे आर कॉन्करंट, एका ठिकाणी भेटतात ओ या पॉइंट मध्ये. सपोज एखादा प्लेन असं कन्सिडर केल्यानंतर आपण त्याच्यावरती एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ केला झेड ऍक्सिस, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये एक्स आणि वाय ऍक्सिस असे आहेत की जे एकमेकाला परपेंडिकुलर पण आहेत आणि ओ या पॉइंट मध्ये भेटतात. तर याचं असणारा मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी आपण एक त्या असणाऱ्या प्लेन बॉडीवरती एक स्मॉल एलिमेंट, छोटासा पार्ट डीएम इतका ज्याचा मास आहे कन्सिडर केला आणि ओ आणि पी हे डिस्टन्स आपण ड्रॉ केलं. अगेन त्या पी पासून ओ वाय आणि ओ एक्स म्हणजे एक्स आणि वाय ऍक्सिस वरती रिस्पेक्टिव्हली लंब टाकले की जे एन आणि एम या पॉइंट मध्ये भेटतात. पीएन ची व्हॅल्यू आहे एक्स, तर पीएम ची किंमत आहे वाय. याच्यानुसार आपण त्याचं असणार रिस्पेक्टिव्हली इंटिग्रेशन घेतलं. आय एक्स म्हणजेच त्याचं असणार इंटिग्रेशन वाय पासूनचं असणार डिस्टन्स, आय वाय म्हणजेच त्याचं असणार पी पासून डिस्टन्स एक्स आहे, म्हणून आय वाय जोड इंटिग्रेशन एक्स कर डीएम. सो Iz म्हणजेच काय, तर याचा आणि याचे इंटिग्रेशनची असणारी ऍडिशन. सो Iz इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ y स्क्वेअर प्लस x स्क्वेअर dm. याला स्वतंत्र मल्टिप्लाय केलं, त्यानंतर Iz इज काय भेटलं आपल्याला Ix प्लस Iy. म्हणजेच आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया Iz ऑफ अ लॅमिनर ऑब्जेक्ट अबाउट एन ऍक्सिस, म्हणजे झेड ऍक्सिस होती, तो कसा आहे, परपेंडिकुलर टू इट्स प्लेन and is the sum of its moment of inertia about two mutually perpendicular axes in its plane, all the three axes being concurrent. So this is the theorem of perpendicular axis. Finish.